dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words, his bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. It's important for men to understand that keeping yourself healthy and fit is a must. We want the best out of life, and it requires a continuous process of working to maintain and improve ourselves. Doing this will ensure that you bring the best you to the table. This information is about one aspect of a man's personal appearance. One of the things that everyone sees about you is your physical presence. Having the best possible self-image will be the first plus when meeting someone. So the debate about having hair or being bald is still a controversy. Some people like it and others don't. And having the options of having it or not makes it a personal preference. One option is to call or take a trip to Istanbul, Turkey, and set up a procedure for your hair transplant at the Asli Tarcan clinic. You can use the WhatsApp app on your phone to call and talk with one of the medical consultants about the procedure and get some good information. The number is 90-549-421-5050. Call them, set up an appointment with one of their medical consults, and talk about the procedure that you want to have. It's a great thing to do. My suggestion on a budget is $7,000. $5,000 for the procedure plus airfare, about $2,000. And first class is the best when coming back, so that you can have only one person sitting next to you with your procedure having been done to your head. So $5,000 will get you all the additional treatments that I'm going to suggest that you get to have the greatest outcome. Time, I think you should allow for 10 days. A lot of people can do it within a 3-day, 4-day allotment of time, but me, for your best outcome, I say 10 days. 2 days are travel, 3 days for the treatment, and 5 days for having additional treatments done. There are a lot of things that the clinic has for you, and I'll explain that to you here coming up. So having those additional days to get those extra treatments done is a plus. And you get it all done. When you come back, you'll have all these new aspects about yourself, and your personal appearance will be 100% Ladies,
different.
I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
When you call the clinic,
and talk to them about the procedure. The clinic provides hotel accommodations for 3 days. First day to do the initial paperwork and blood tests and possibly get the procedure done if you get there early enough. The second day for sure is to do the procedure, final paperwork, payment. The third day is for the hair washing, cream treatment, the aftercare. And I suggest that you get some of the additional treatments. You're already going to get the PRP plasma treatment or the ozone, which is the oxygen blood treatment. And then they have a dental where they'll clean your teeth, whiten your teeth, plus you can get Botox and eye bags filling if you need that too. So there's a lot of different things that they'll provide for you while you're there, and I would take advantage of every bit of it if I were you. And that's why I'm giving you all this information here, so that when you go over there, you'll be prepared, and you'll get the best results if possible. So with the hotel, you want to make arrangements for those additional days if you're going to do that, plus the transportation to the clinic. And I suggest tipping the staff, which is an okay and good thing to do. And I would start with the surgeon that's doing the procedure, with the tech that you have there that is performing the procedure on you. And then also the nurses that are applying the foam on your hair before the washing, the person that's actually doing the washing, and then the person that's applying the cream on your head after the washing, which is a very good thing that these young ladies and the staff provide for you, and they take good care of you. So tipping them, I think, is a great thing, because they're there to try to help you become a better you. And I think it's a great thing that if you would tip them. That's only my opinion. This information I'm giving you is just my personal preference and opinions, that if you want to have the best outcome, you definitely want to follow the staff's instructions that you're given to you on how to take care of your head after the procedures. And they're looking out for you and want the best for you, so following their advice and things that they're telling you to do for your aftercare is very important. And if you want the best outcome, this is what you need to do. But it's only my opinion. Some people have come the day after their procedure, they were on a plane going back home, and then they have to, for themselves, take care of all that aftercare by themselves, having the scabs still on the skull after the procedure, and then having to try to take it off with their hair washing and stuff like that. For me, having those people who are very professional and know what they're doing take care of that for me is a plus. So that's why I'd rather spend the additional time there to have them completely wash my head, and get rid of all the scabs that are left. This way, when I come home, I don't have to worry about that. I'll just do the additional care that they're asking me to do to take care of myself for the next 6 months. So it's very important to understand what they give you, follow the instructions that they give you. They do have a sheet of instructions on taking the medication and everything that you need to take care of yourself. So follow it to the letter so that you get the best outcome. A lot of people, come home after their treatment, and then they don't understand what's necessary to do the right thing to take care of them, and they might have a bad outcome. So then they'll start complaining that they didn't get the best outcome and this or that, because and then apply. I mean, if you got the time, take the time, take a vacation, and use them 10 days to get it all done, so that when you come home, you're starting on the best foot. You're starting with the best possible outcome being a positive in your life. That'll be something that can definitely happen. But like I said, this is just me, my opinion on what you'll get if you follow to the letter what they tell you, if you listen to the advice they give you, take the treatments that they ask you to take, and you'll be a better you. But it's only my opinion, and I'm thinking that if you're going to put all this time into it, you might as well do it right. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.